Within the endless silence of the universe, a hidden secret exists, far beyond the limits of human imagination. This secret connects to a powerful force capable of bending time, light, and matter itself. A black hole is not an empty void, but a region of space where gravity becomes unimaginably powerful. When a giant star exhausts its fuel, it can no longer resist its own gravity.
The star collapses inward, crushing its core into something smaller, denser, and far more extreme.
When the collapse triggers a supernova, what remains can become a black hole.
The core survives as an object so dense, its gravity overwhelms reality itself.
This gravity bends space and time, reshaping the universe around it.
The edge of this darkness is called the event horizon, the ultimate point of no return. Once light crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible forever. Matter falling inside is torn apart, heated, and crushed beyond imagination.
Before vanishing, matter forms a blazing disk, releasing enormous energy.
These disks shine brighter than entire stars, revealing black holes indirectly.
Black holes are invisible, yet scientists detect them through their powerful effects.
When a nearby star is disturbed, gravity exposes the hidden monster.
At the heart of most galaxies lies a supermassive black hole. Our own galaxy hosts one, millions of times heavier than the Sun.
Near a black hole, time itself slows down dramatically. At the center lies the singularity. Current science cannot fully explain what happens beyond this point. Black holes challenge our understanding of reality itself.
Some theories suggest black holes could connect distant parts of the universe.
Over unimaginable time, black holes may slowly lose energy.
This process, called Hawking radiation, hints they are not eternal.
Black holes come in different sizes, from stellar to supermassive. Despite their reputation, most black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners.
Our planet remains safe, far from any dangerous black hole.
New telescopes continue revealing black holes in unprecedented detail.
For the first time, humanity has even captured their shadow.
Black holes are not destroyers of the universe, but key architects of it.
In the darkest places of space, we uncover the deepest truths of existence.
Keep watching for more incredible stories of science and the universe. This is Urdumine. Subscribe now.